What's up? Dave here, Indigo Hair Repair. Got a little tech tip of the day. Show you a little info about the lights that I use. Maybe you like to get some yourself. Check it out. I'll show you how I set up my light stand here, PDR light stand. This is a Pro PDR solution stand. It's not a very popular stand. I didn't like it at first either until I got it. Check it out. This is a pretty easy stand to set up. The base unfolds, just a click of a button, and then the mast goes down there. Tightens it with 2 set screws on each side, keeping it stable. And then here's the battery tray. We don't really use batteries anymore. These Stucky lights are the batteries on board, so I don't use car batteries. So need a counterweight. Those are my sandbags from Meister. Got those off eBay for like 10 bucks. Fill them up with sand, dump them out when I'm ready to roll. And then you can work out with them too. So these are the Stucky lights. The batteries are on board. I'm a big fan of these Stucky lights. I don't like bringing car chargers and kinds of stuff, so these little battery packs are easy to charge up. So I'm a real big fan of the double stack. I think it works out well. Here it is set up. And I also like stickers too, so there's all my stickers. A little something to read for the public when they're watching me work. And this is the light I use every day. So that's my light stand and my light. Well, one set. I actually got 2 more of these Stucky lights and another hail stand. So I like a lot of light. I'm getting to be long in the tooth in this dent business, and my eyes can use all the help they can get. You know what I'm saying? So I like a lot of light. So when I got both of these, I could run down the side of a vehicle. It's great for inspection, doing estimates, because you can see all the damage with these lights. And then when I go down and do the PDR, I can use one light. I might work off this light using this light until the dent's gone, and then I'll switch my eyes to the second one. And then the second one looks like it's further away from the panel, because it is. And so then I can smooth out the dent without having to physically move my light back further. Because when you do PDR, you know, a lot of guys can get the dents out pretty good, but they can't get them out all the way, because the last like 5% of getting the dent out is the hardest part. Not everybody's skilled enough to do that. And part of it is them not moving their light far enough back. So you got to move your light far enough back to finish out the process. So this double stack right here allows me to work up close and then switch my eyes to the second light and work farther. And then I'll move the whole thing back, you know, as I work down the side of the vehicle. So just my little tip. There's my light. Booyah. So here's what it looks like set up looking at a truck. This vehicle's got a bunch of hail damage, and with both these lights you can see just the whole panel, every imperfection, every flaw. This helps really a lot when I'm doing the estimate, and obviously when I'm fixing the dents too, because you can just see everything with those 2 lights. So I'm a real big fan of the double stack. Hope you like it.